Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're a new parent or expecting a little one soon, this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for new moms and dads, the common mistakes many parents make with their newborns without even realizing it. These little missteps can affect both your baby's well-being and your peace of mind, but don't worry. Once you know what they are, they're easy to avoid. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's chat about how you can give your baby the best possible start in life. Bringing home a newborn is a magical experience, but it can also feel overwhelming. There's so much love and excitement, and at the same time, a lot of pressure to get everything right. It's totally normal to make a few missteps in those first few weeks. After all, babies don't come with instruction manuals, but being aware of some of the most common mistakes can really help new parents feel more confident and relaxed as they settle into their new roles. One of the first things many parents struggle with is understanding their baby's cues. Babies are constantly communicating through their cries, body language, and even facial expressions. But when you're new to it all, it's easy to misread hunger as discomfort, or tiredness as fussiness. Learning your baby's unique language takes time, and it's okay to not get it right from the start. The more you observe and spend time with your baby, the more you'll start to recognize those subtle signs that tell you exactly what they need. Another area where new parents often stumble is feeding, whether it's breastfeeding or bottle feeding. Sometimes there's pressure to follow a strict schedule, or compare how much your baby eats to others. But every baby is different. Some feed more frequently, some less. It's more important to watch for signs of satisfaction, like relaxed hands and a sleepy gaze, than to obsess over the clock. Trusting your baby and your instincts can make feeding a much more enjoyable experience for both of you. Sleep is another huge challenge for new parents. One common mistake is expecting newborns to sleep through the night, or worrying too much about creating a perfect sleep schedule. In reality, newborns have very short sleep cycles and wake frequently for feeding. It's totally normal, and not a reflection of your parenting. What's more important is creating a safe and comfortable sleep environment. Always putting your baby on their back to sleep, avoiding blankets or pillows in the crib, and making sure the mattress is firm. These things go a long way in preventing sleep-related risks. Let's talk about hygiene, another area where new parents can go overboard. Babies don't need to be bathed every single day. In fact, bathing too often can dry out their delicate skin. A gentle sponge bath a few times a week is usually enough in the first month. Also, some parents worry about germs so much that they end up over-sanitizing. While it's important to keep things clean, especially around feeding areas and diapering, your baby also needs some exposure to everyday germs to help build their immune system. Speaking of diapers, one mistake that's easy to make is leaving them on for too long. Life gets busy, and sometimes a wet or soiled diaper can go unnoticed. But changing diapers frequently is key to preventing rashes and keeping your baby comfortable. Make it part of your routine, check during every feeding or after naps, and always have supplies nearby to make changes quick and easy. Another thing to be mindful of is overstimulation. We all want our babies to be alert, learning, and thriving, but too much noise, activity, or bright lights can be overwhelming for a newborn. They're still adjusting to life outside the womb, and their senses are incredibly sensitive. Creating a calm, soothing environment with soft lighting, gentle sounds, and skin-to-skin time can help them feel safe and secure. One that often surprises new parents is how much newborns actually need to be held. Some people worry about spoiling their baby by holding them too much. But during these early months, your touch and presence are exactly what your baby needs. Holding your baby close helps regulate their heartbeat, body temperature, and breathing. It's also a powerful way to bond and build a strong emotional connection. So don't hesitate to cuddle, wear your baby in a carrier, or just spend quiet time together. It's not spoiling, it's nurturing. And finally, let's talk about support. Many new parents try to do it all alone, thinking they need to prove they can handle it. But parenting was never meant to be a solo job. Asking for help, whether it's from your partner, a friend, a family member, or even a professional, is a sign of strength, not weakness. Sharing the load can prevent burnout and give you more time to enjoy your baby. Don't be afraid to take breaks, nap when you can, and accept help with meals, chores, or simply holding the baby while you shower. So there you have it, a gentle and honest look at some of the most common newborn mistakes and how to avoid them. If you've made any of these, please know that you're not alone, and you're not doing anything wrong. Parenting is a journey of learning and love, and every day is a new chance to grow together with your little one. If this video helped you feel a little more prepared or reassured, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more real, relatable parenting tips. And in the comments, share your own experiences. What surprised you most as a new parent? We'd love to hear your story. Until next time, take care, and enjoy every precious moment with your baby.